Welcome to Greatmats. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about outdoor patio deck and pool flooring. So when we're talking about outdoor flooring, deck, patio, and pool surround flooring, we want to look at the surface that you're putting it on top of, and also the type of material, whether it's a perforated drain-through tile or a solid surface tile that requires a glue down. So there's kind of two categories. One is the modular. Most of these tiles are going to be perforated, so it's a dry lay, no glue required. So that's going to be either the stay lock or the outdoor patio tile. The other option is a solid surface tile like a rubber paver, which may or may not require glue down for smaller installations, maybe not. Certainly for our larger installations, yes. The rubber paver tiles are really popular on rooftops where you're going to turn a flat roof into a deck surface. Especially for commercial installation, the rubber paver tiles that are interlocking are really the best option there. Now for home, on top of the various surfaces, we can use a perforated tile, and most of those are going to be PVC. But PVC is going to want to expand and contract a little bit more in the sun, so we need to be thinking about the size of the installation. When we get much over 400 square feet, then we need to figure out, how much is the tile going to expand? What elevation are we at? Are we in a hot, sunny climate? So those are the types of things to consider when installing PVC outdoors. So on top of a larger rooftop with a rubber membrane, rubber paver tiles are really going to be best for a couple of reasons. One is they're commercially rated. They're going to be heavier, so they're less likely to have flying off issues with wind, and also they're more stable. They tend to shrink a little bit over a longer period of time, but that's kind of taken into consideration during the installation. But they're not going to expand and contract as much in the heat and humidity like a PVC tile would. PVC again is okay for smaller home installations, but when you get into larger scale rooftop installations, rubber paver tiles is really best for durability and longevity and commercially rated. We have a couple different options that are popular for pool surrounds. One thing to consider with pools is that none of these products are really rated against the chlorine that is used in pools, so it might be a good idea to wash the tiles off if maybe there was a big party or there was a lot of in and out and there was a lot of transfer of chlorine water onto the tiles. I have seen a little bit of fading that can occur if there's too much chlorine left on the PVC tiles. For pool surrounds, we do have a couple different PVC options. These are generally going to be used for home or maybe in a locker room in a commercial facility. Both of the PVC drainage tiles are going to be perforated. They're going to both be slip resistant and modular in that they're designed as one interlocks to the next to make a larger floor area. Perforated tiles can also be used in greenhouses, balconies. That's a popular place. Again, rooftops, pool surrounds, hard surface patios and decks, whether it's in the backyard, whether it's around a fire. If you're looking at maybe a concrete slab that you don't like in your backyard, you could cover it with one of our outdoor perforated floor tiles to increase the visual aesthetic of the area. One benefit of outdoor modular patio tiles is that they're going to be cooler, generally speaking, than concrete. Not to say that they can't heat up. If you're in Arizona, it's 110 degrees outside and it's sunny. Any surface is going to heat up to some extent, but certainly less than asphalt or concrete. The other benefit is that it's going to be fairly comfortable to lay on or walk on, more so than a hard surface like concrete.